My name is Raju, and the topic is WLAN topology. What is WLAN? A wireless local area network is a flexible data communications system implemented as an extension to or as an alternative for a white LAN using radio frequency technology. Wireless LANs transmit and receive data over the air, minimizing the need for wide connections and thus combining data connectivity with user mobility. The wireless networking topologies. Wireless technologies are arranged into four major wireless topologies. And the first one is wireless wide area network, and the second one is wireless metropolitan area network. And the third one is wireless personal area network. And the last one is wireless local area network. The wireless wide area network, it provides RF coverage over a vast geographical area, may traverse an entire state, region, or country, or even span worldwide. Typically use cellular telephone technologies or proprietary licensed wireless bridging technologies. Example include GPRS, CDMA, TDMA, LTE, and the last one is GSM. Data rates and bandwidths are relatively slow when compared to 802.11. The multiple access points connected by a wide network backbone provides and users with access network resources and services. The wireless metropolitan area network, it provides RF coverage to a metropolitan area such as a city and the surrounding suburbs. One wireless technology associated with the WLAN is the 802.16 standard, thought of as a last mile data delivery solution. Some 802.11 vendors have partnered with the 4G LTE companies to create Metro WLAN. And this is the WLAN topology ADHOC network figure. And this is the WLAN topology infrastructure. In infrastructure mode, each station computer connects to an access point via a wireless link. The setup formed by the access point and the stations located within its coverage area are called the basic service set, or BSS for short. Several access points can be linked to the other using a connection called a distribution system. And ESS is identified with the ESS ID Extend Service Set Identifier. The ESS ID often shortened to SSID. And this is the advantages of WLAN: productivity, convenience, and cost advantages. Installation speed and simplicity. And the next one is installation flexibility and reduced cost of ownership, mobility, and scalability. The disadvantages of WLAN: cost, signal bleed over, environmental conditions, and less capability or less capacity. The applications of wireless LAN: medical professionals, corporate and education, temporary situations, and airlines, and security staff, and the last one is emergency centers. Thank you.
దాని రైట్ క్లిక్ కాదు మామూలు